Hey guys, welcome back to Taisian TV, where we learn something new and exciting every week. This week, I'm going to learn a specific K-pop choreography, but this video is specifically to help you to learn how to practice a dance on your own. I'm still a beginner dancer, but hopefully this video will help you guys out. Okay, I'll see you guys when I get to the studio that I rented for the day. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I just got to my studio that I rented for the day. It's actually pretty large. I really enjoy this studio, but there's a dilemma, guys. Ready for this? Okay, so you guys can see there's only an aux cord. And guess what? All the new smartphones don't have an auxiliary port. I came here before and I totally forgot to bring my USB-C to an aux cord converter. So that means I need to just practice with my phone sound today, which sucks because the whole point of renting a studio is so that I can actually practice efficiently. But oh well, I forgot, so I have to just deal with what I have. You guys can see I have my Insta360 Go 2 on my head, so you guys can see my point of view when I'm actually dancing. So let's get started. Okay, the first things first, you need to warm up so you don't get injured. So let's get started. Second, after you warm up, you need to figure out what dance you want to warm up on and also what dance you want to learn. So today I'm going to learn Bom Bom from Card. If you guys don't know, I'm going to leave in the description below what dance they do, but this is a different variation, so I'm going to leave also that in the description as well. Man, I'm out of breath because of the warm-up already. Okay, so I'm gonna start practicing and let's see how it goes. Oh, by the way, the important thing is to have confidence. You see this hat? The reason I have this hat on is when I have a hat on, I feel more confident when I'm dancing. I know it's kind of weird, but that's who I am. So let's get started. So what you want to do as a beginner is you want to open up the settings on your YouTube and click your playback speed and then bring it down to maybe 0.5. You see how slow it is? So now you just want to repeat this and then just memorize the movement. Just practice the movement first. So you see 1, 2, 4, and then go out. So I missed this, I'm going to return it, go back and then just constantly practice watching it over and memorizing just the movement. It doesn't have to be even like exact movement. It can be something close or something you're more comfortable with, and then after you memorize the whole movement, you can start to work on your detail, because when you actually have the song on and when you can dance it fluidly, you can work on the details much better and you can get on the beat much easier. So first you want to make sure you go in a slower speed and memorize your dance movements. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. This is so awkward because you guys are looking at my leg. Okay, all right, so let me bring you all the way back here. Okay, and maybe you guys can see me better. All right, so I'm getting the steps right, but I'm missing the details. So for example, this part, like I want to make sure I go 1, 2, and 3 and lean in and then move on to this. But I'm constantly going and then just stepping like this instead of leaning in. I want to make sure I work on that. And also, yeah, this part, the last one, I need to make sure I go, like, I need to make an impact, like, boom. But I'm not doing it, I'm just going like, because I want to get to the next step and make sure I get there in time, because it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast. Okay, I need to make sure I figure this out next time when I come, because this vlogging setup is not easy. Okay. it, right? Okay, I need some rest, and I need to. Okay, I need some rest, a little bit, a water break, and then I need to work on my. Oh man, my skin looks flawless. Okay, I'm gonna drink some water, and I think I'm gonna put my socks on one foot, like halfway, because I'm gonna get a blister. Oh, hopefully, maybe here you guys can see me drink my water. Water is very important, so make sure you constantly drink water throughout. Okay, I'm gonna keep practicing because you saw a whole bunch of mistakes that I made, right? Just now, it's the same mistake. So I'm gonna constantly practice, just going over and over, and then I'll show you guys what I get by end of today's session, which is in like 25 minutes, okay? Okay, I think I totally missed a recording that I just did. Okay, so now since I think I got the detail to be an okay state and I was able to do the section 3 times in a row, so now I'm going to move on to the next section. I'm going to do the same thing, slow down the video, and I'm going to slow it down to 0.5 again, and then I'm going to practice just learning the move. I only have about 10 more minutes in the studio, so I'm going to just wrap it up, and then I'm going to show you guys my practice section again, and then the final result for the day. Okay, I'll see you guys then. Woo. We messed up. Second shot. Okay, so I think I got the move down. I'm going to show you guys now, but this is an important section to tell you guys. Just constantly watching him over and over and looking at myself dancing, I'm like, oh, he's so much better. I'm so bad. You have that moment where you feel bad even though you're practicing and working your hardest, but this is a time when you need to make sure you overcome this fear and comparison. So never compare you to another person. I'm still working on that all out myself. I always compare myself. So I'm going to show you what I have so far. The detail is definitely not there. So just bear with me, and then maybe on the next session, another practice video for this song, you guys can tag along with me, okay? I got this. I got it, guys. Okay, I have to go. It's already 9:30, so that's an hour of practice, and I got blisters all over on my left foot. Since it was raining today, I didn't want to bring the shoes into the dance floor, but Normally I think you can. So man, I blister, 2 blister on my left foot and 1 on my right. But it was such a fantastic learning experience. I mean, I come here time to time, but I want to come here more often and maybe share the process with you guys. So hopefully in the end you guys can see my cover of this dance. Alright, I'm going to get to my car and get home, and maybe I'll see you guys there, okay? Okay, welcome back to my studio. So, it has been about a few days after since I actually practiced the dancing, but I forgot to record my outro, so I'm doing that today. Okay, the step 3 of the process is actually to record yourself and also analyze your movement by rewatching your video. I actually have done that for the past few days and constantly trying to think, what can I improve, how do I shift weight, and also I've been practicing throughout the day just in front of my mirror or when I'm doing grocery shopping. I'm not doing like full out dance, but I'm just kind of going through it in my head, just kind of moving along and just practicing throughout the day so I can constantly make sure I don't first forget the movement, and also second work on the small details, shifting the weight, making sure my arm moves correctly. Yeah, and also I'm pretty embarrassed. I'm very actually embarrassed about sharing this past practices, because I know I don't look that good at the moment, because it's just working the small detail and also just memorizing the dances, just the movement. So I know I'm not quite there yet, but I really wanted to be transparent and share with you guys my journey of learning dancing. So I hope you guys are okay with me just dancing pretty badly at the moment, but hopefully in the future I can do the cover for this dance. So I'm very excited, and I want to give you guys encouragement that anybody can learn dancing and anybody can learn anything you want to learn. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'm going to leave in the description below all the tools that I use, and also I'm going to leave in the description below a rubric of what you can follow in order for you to actually learn dancing. And what I use to learn dancing is more condensed, like a blog post, so that you guys can actually look at it, and instead of watching my whole vlog and trying to pinpoint all the steps, I'm going to list it there, so it's going to help you guys out. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this new style of my vlogging, and I will see you guys on the next video.